Hello everyone. This video I'm recording on the demand of the traders. So many traders inquired me that the brokers are manipulating the data. For example, if we check the Euro USD chart in the volume trade, the data candles open and close, their VIX is different than the IQ option. And if we check the data from Cortex, it is different. If we check the data from MT4, that is different. If we check the data in the Delta River, that is different. Yes, that is not a manipulation. That is because the market, the Forex market is a decentralized. So because of this decentralization, each broker have a different code provider. So when a broker have a different code provider, each and every broker will show you the little difference in the data. If the market is centralized, then you will never see any difference, because then there will be one code provider like from the stock exchange. But when the market is decentralized, so there is a difference. I'm not going in the deep of the centralization and decentralization. I'm just giving you the idea that the Forex market is a decentralized. That's why the data is different. So that is not a manipulation. For example, if we check the data here and if we check the data here, you will see the difference. But that difference does not mean that it have a manipulation. See here, the currently price moving in a here in the IQ option, and the currently price is moving in a volume trade. It is totally different. Look at, you will find the very big difference. Here you can see the last price, the two candles closed the red, and here the two candles closed, one green and one red. This candle is a spinning candle, but this candle is a different candle. So if you see, this candle is a different candle and this candle is a different candle here. It is not a manipulation. This is a different code provider difference. So broker to broker data may be changed. For example, at here, if I compare the IQ option with the IC market, so you will see the difference. Here, that is a chart of the IC market, which is different from the IQ option. You can check, there is a gap. And here, this IC market is mostly comparing with the volume trade, but the IQ option data is different. You can see the candle size. You can see this one. When I inquired about this problem from the brokers, from all the brokers, they gave me the response. And if I'm showing you this response from the IQ option, they told me that if you are trying to compare our charts, price to charts and price of another source, this is incorrect thing to do for the following reasons. So as I told you about the decentralized, so they are telling us data, they are telling us about that problem. Chart setting can be different. Our charts show average asset price, which is ask plus bid divided by 2. So the IQ option data, which is they are getting from the broker, from the code provider. The code provider is a DD code provider, and their data is modified. Ask plus bid price is modified. So that's why you will see the difference in the candles as compared to the volume trade, as compared to the Cortex, as compared to the Forex. So what we can do now, for example, here, when I'm opening the Delta, I'm opening this OctoFX, the data will be different. See, so this OctoFX from IC market is different, and from the IQ option is different. Here you can see there is a big difference. This candle have a difference. This candle is up running, it's a difference than this candle. So these candles you can see have a difference as compared to this candle. This candle have an inverted hammer. This candle have a difference. So that is the biggest confusion of the traders, that they are thinking that the brokers are manipulating the data. No, they are not manipulating. I told you the reason. That is the real reason, which I researched, which I observed, and which I asked from every broker. Every broker gave me the same answer, that our quote provider is different. If I show you on the trading view, for example, trading view. Here, I'm going to show you the chart on the trading view. The data on the trading view will be different also. And the trading view is offering 2 to 3 brokers. We are checking each and every broker. So here, I'm going to use the Euro and USD. So Euro USD, look at FXCM broker, OINTA broker, and Forex.com. And you can see IDC, you can see Pepperstone, Capital.com, Saxo, Global Prime, EdCap, FTX, Bitstamp, all are these the sources. So you can see sources. Here, every source is a different. How many sources are there? So till that here, these are the sources. So from where we are just using the Forex, okay? So Forex, these are the sources. Okay, so for example, I'm using the FXCM. So FXCM data as compared to the other data, it can be different. I'm scrolling the chart. You can see here, what a difference. As compared to this one, there are 2 dojis. So can we say that the trading view is manipulating, or we can say the IC market is manipulating, or we can say that this is manipulating. Now the 3 examples, the 4th example IQ option, the 5th example volume trade, all are there. Everyone have a different. Understand? That is a quote provider difference. So the fluctuation will be also different. So for example, they are showing you the less fluctuation. Maybe FXTM show you the more fluctuation. So now you can see the difference between the data. That is the difference between the data. Here the price opens at here, and here the price opens at the same level. And here the price opens at the top. So you can see there is a difference. For example, here we are using another broker, OINTA. So OINTA, and you can see this broker. Here the price is broken, the open price after red candle. Here the price is still here. It's not broken. And here you can see what's the difference. That the difference, it makes a sense that no, that is not a manipulation. That is a code provider difference. So same thing, if we check in the IQ option now, currently, you can see here they are giving us a different C. So while you are using the indicators on the MT4, that's why the difference. That's why you are failing. In the for example, the indicator is showing you the different percentage of winning, and when you are applying in the IQ option, you are getting different percentage. When you are applying in the Olymp trade or in the Cortex market, you have a difference. That is the main problem. So our traders blindly, they are following the data. You need to research it. Fix your strategy as per the broker movement. When I'm teaching about the IQ option platform, so mostly my strategies mostly work on the IQ option. And if we use in the Cortex, there will be little difference. If I'm using any other broker strategy, that will be different because of the code provider. So that is the main difference which I wanted to share with you because so many traders have a confusion. So many traders have a confusion. And they ask me again and again. So that's why I wanted to record a video for you to give you the complete information about the data. Don't be scared or don't be trapped. You just to identify what you are doing. Now you can see here what happens. There is a candle. There is a doji. There is a doji. There is a spinning candle. Go here. On the volume trade, they will show you a spinning candle. And the open price is different. In the IQ option, see, there is a one kind of pin bar. Here the price you can see is different. Here the price is different. So that is the main thing. You need to understand these differences and then make your strategy. I hope everyone understood about my message, which I wanted to share with you. Thank you so much and touch with me. I will update you more about the market. Thank you so much.